21st and 22nd, a powerful blizzard slammed the Midwest. Several of our team members were on the ground documenting this monstrous storm.
Experiencing ground blizzard conditions. Wow.
The snow was quite lackluster. The extreme winds made up for this incredible rare time of the year event. The actions in this video were conducted by trained professionals. Please do not try to storm chase without any proper equipment or training. This is all going to accumulate very fast.
We're right here. Here with Caleb Ivich. We're just messing around in the snow here. He's throwing snow at me. You can see here, blowing really fast across the road. I got guys up around 20 miles an hour right now. Our person Caleb's having the absolute time of his life right now. Regardless, it is getting really cold here. Dropped about 10 degrees in the last 6 or so minutes now.
Ground blizzard.
That is nuts. Oh my gosh, dude. I mean, you could not see.
Alright, we're currently standing outside here right now. Currently in Wells County, Indiana, experiencing ground blizzard conditions. Winds up to around 40 or 50 miles an hour right now. Wind gusts up to about 45. Sustained winds at around 40 miles an hour right now. The temperature's at about 1 degree Fahrenheit right now, with the wind chill on around -30 or -35. It's absolutely crazy windy out here right now. You can probably just barely hear my voice. But regardless, it is crazy windy out here right now. It is not.
During this portion of the chase, we experienced our most extreme conditions with several wind gusts between 55 and 60 miles an hour, along with recorded wind chills between -30, and our lowest wind chill we recorded was around -41.3 degrees Fahrenheit. And these conditions lasted all the way from about 12:30 a.m. all the way to about 7:32 a.m. The 23rd, December 23rd. And so these conditions lasted all throughout the night. Ground blizzard conditions, even some people even called them real blizzard conditions as well, as you had not much snow on the ground, but you had just tons of light fluffy snow blowing constantly, with at least sustained winds to 25 miles an hour for about a 6 to 12 hour period. But regardless, this entire chase lasted about 7.5 hours for me. I took about an hour and a half to get home from Bluffton, Indiana. So regardless, a pretty successful chase. Got to send some data back to the weather service in terms of the winds and wind gusts we got and the temperatures as well. So this is Parker Allenberg concluding your chase video. Hope you guys see you later here in 2023.